They're supposed to eat it. So Sharky's here trying to decide who is he gonna vote for. We are at the Three Brothers Bakery. So we got these cool cookies over here at Three Brothers Bakery in Houston, Texas. What do you think, Sharky? Check it out. What is it, Sharky? Check it out. Ooh, 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 good boy. So Sharky gave his vote, and now it's your turn. November 6, 2012. Oh, you're voting for both. Okay, so since this is Sharky's secret decision who he's gonna really pick, we just gave you guys idea to co-vote, because if you are American, this is your duty and your right to go vote. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, good boy.
Hello America. My name is Sharky. I am American Pit Bull Terrier, and I am an American.